Hey everyone, so it is time for another Monday video upload. As I said in one of my previous videos, I'm going to be trying to do regular uploads on Mondays. So it's either going to be a WordPress or web design related video or a travel vlog. This week it will be another WordPress theme. I did Lodestar a couple of weeks ago. I like so I'm using this one right now, Elegant Business, but I kind of want to look at these two, Modern Business, Sophisticated Business. I'm going to go over here and click on free right here. Premium has obviously different themes. I'll scroll down real quick just to see what they have in it. It will tell you how much it is, $36, $79. But most of the people that contact me are usually individuals or small business, and they are looking to keep their costs down. So with that in mind, I'm going to go ahead and show you free. This is you sign up, you can get a theme for free. So I want to do theme details. If I do preview, it's going to preview everything with my logo and stuff, and I don't want that. So I'm going to do the demo. This is the Modern Business theme. Take a look if you're kind of thinking about starting a website, or if you already have a WordPress website and you want to change it, you can think about this one. So it's got the address up here. Most of this is usually customizable, so I would have to get in and dig in to see how customizable it is. I'm guessing you could probably take that off if you didn't like that up there. The menu items, you pick which items go in there. However, usually menu, you're either going to have it here or you're not. You can't move it around. The old days of drag and drop, I think maybe Squarespace lets you do that in some of the GoDaddy sites, but WordPress themes usually do not without contracting someone to type up a bunch of CSS or some other kind of code to change it for you. And I do not offer that service. It's very time consuming. It's a bit out of my skill set, and I prefer to go with what's already there. So you've got your menu, social icons right here. These pictures, you would pick your own. You can certainly use what they have. You don't have to use that. This, find the perfect piece. You're going to customize that to whatever you want it to say. So this is kind of, obviously their demos based on some sort of clothing shop. So you've got, this would all be customizable with your text here, your picture here. It looks like they're alternating between black and a cream. And then we got black again. And then we got cream again. So that's about it. You can do a contact form here. That's it. All right. Let us get out of that. Let's look at one more before I close up this video for today. Go back here to themes. I want to look at, click on free. I want to look at sophisticated business. This one looks like it is kind of, they're kind of customizing that for a food or drink establishment. So you've got your menu up here in black. You can probably change that color. Social icons here. address over here. If you are a restaurant, I would recommend having that up there because people need to know where you are so that they can go and order something from you that day. What can we get you? This is just sort of some little blurbs. This is similar to the other one. It's very, I mean, this would be, I don't know. I would use it for sure for a like a bar, but I don't know, even a restaurant. I don't know. It's just very dark. And then you got this, which I assume you can change. You got the get in touch at the bottom again. I assume you can change it, but you've got like black and then sort of like a not as dark black, but it's still black. I mean, to me that's a little bit clashing. So what else? Yeah. So there you go. All right. Well, that was our WordPress theme walkthrough for today. The sophisticated business theme and what was the other one called? Modern business theme. So that's pretty cool. If you have any questions, comments, please put those below in the comment bar. If you want to contact me because you need a website, you can go to my website, which is going to be in the description below as well, lesliewebdesign.com. It's also up here, by the way. It's right here, lesliewebdesign.wordpress.com, or you could just type in lesliewebdesign.com. And that's it for today. Thanks for watching. The next video that is going to be published will probably be a travel vlog. I haven't got my snorkeling videos up yet from my trip to Florida earlier this summer. And I hope you guys are having a great summer. Stay cool, and I will see you in the next video.